Today we start off with the strength. In this strength, we're going to be completing a back rack split squat. We're going to complete 14 reps, and that means we're going to go ahead and split those up. We're going to do 7 on our right and 7 on our left for a total of 14. We are going to go ahead and complete all 7 on the right side before you move to all 7 on the left. All right, if you decide to start with the other leg, that's fine. Just go ahead and start and complete the 7 total reps on each leg. We'll go ahead and establish a really good front rack or back rack position with that bar going across the back of the shoulders. We don't want it in the neck, so make sure you have it going across the shoulder. You will take a few steps back. We'll establish a good split stance, and we're going to go ahead and make sure that those toes are planted. From this position, we have roughly a 90-degree angle on that front leg, and once we get down to the bottom, that back leg is also going to have about a 90-degree angle. We're going to come all the way up, trying to extend the front leg fully, and then we come right back down to another one. We're going to come through. Once we finish, we'll step back together, reestablish a good squat, split stance, and then we'll come back down for another set of 7. The goal here is to go ahead and move through 5 sets, building in weight each time. We are trying to get as heavy as we can on each leg. Now we're going to go ahead, and because it's 14 reps total, we are trying to complete the weight in its entirety for the right and the left leg. So while you'll feel that one side's a little bit lighter, we are going to be really addressing the deficiency in that one leg. So while we know that maybe your more dominant leg is going to be able to take on a little bit more weight, we're not going to trade it out. You must get 14 total reps completed before you rack the bar back. Okay, so we're going to be building throughout all 5 sets. And if you get to a point where there's a sticking point and you're not able to complete the 7 reps, go ahead and rack it. You can take the weight down if you need to, but I want you to make sure that you are really taking the time to get 5 quality sets here. We're addressing deficiencies in our legs, and we're trying to develop the strength in those legs. All right, so this is going to be a fun 5x14, 5 sets of 14 reps, and that's going to be 7 on each leg.